Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can delete our Facebook account completely. So for that you need to open up your Facebook and then go to your profile settings, and for that you need to open up your profile picture and then click on this option of settings and privacy, then click on settings. After that go to your privacy settings over here, and under your privacy settings you will find this option of your Facebook information. Just click on it, and here scroll down and you will be able to see this option of deactivation and deletion. Just click on view, and here you will find this option of delete account, and this is a permanent feature, so just select it and click on continue to account deletion. After that it will ask for your password. Just provide it and you will be able to delete your Facebook account permanently. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.